Thinking of
As seen with Kyle, he flipped with extended arms and legs, whereas Gisele has her limbs tucked in. The equation for angular acceleration is alpha equals the summation of the torque divided by the inertia. Given the equation I equals mr squared, Kyle's r, or the distance of his limbs from the center of his mass, is a large quantity which will cause the rotational acceleration to decrease, as inertia is inversely proportional to alpha. An increase in Kyle's r is what causes him to make an incomplete flip. Compared to that of Gisele's flip, her limbs are tucked in and the distance r from the center of her mass is decreased, which allows her to make a full and complete flip.
Initially, when on the trampoline, the system is in equilibrium with no kinetic or potential energy. As the individual jumps into the air, they have both kinetic energy due to their jump and potential energy due to the force of gravity. At their maximum height, the individual has total gravitational potential energy and no kinetic energy.
The formula UG equals mgh is for gravitational potential energy. Like Cameron said before, at the peak of the jump, the individual will have the most potential energy. The force of gravity is a constant acceleration that acts upon objects and individuals here on Earth. This force is relative to the large mass of Earth that creates it. Earth's gravity is what's responsible for the individual to fall back down in motion, regaining kinetic energy.
The formula Ke equals 1/2 mv squared is for kinetic energy. Like Kyle said before, when the individual is falling back towards the earth, his kinetic energy is increasing because it is directly proportional to the loss in potential energy. The velocity of the individual increases until the equilibrium position is reached again. The equilibrium position is where the individual and the trampoline began without applied energy. The exchange of mechanical energy in the system made of objects, the earth, the person, and the trampoline are responsible for the fun and flips that occur on the trampoline.